Hey. Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. All right?
All right.
You got a dream, you got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it. You want something, go get it. Period.
Will Smith is an American actor, film producer, rapper, and songwriter who's famous for his good looks and easygoing personality. Will is also one of the most famous and highest paid actors in the world, with a staggering net worth of $350 million. That's an average of $40 million per year from his various income sources. But it wasn't always this way. The rapper turned actor from West Philadelphia was once in serious debt to the government, but he turned it all around when he landed his breakthrough acting role on The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air and went on to become one of Hollywood's most bankable stars. From his rapping career to his acting career to even his investment portfolio, here is a well-detailed breakdown of Will Smith's net worth and income sources. And later in the video, I will give you a taste of his luxury life and how he spends his millions. But before we get into all that, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe if you are new here. With that out of the way, let's begin. Will Smith at the age of 12 started his career in the music industry and became a chart-topping rap artist at the age of 16 after he formed the duo DJ Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince with his friend Jeff Towns. Together they won 2 Grammy Awards and 3 American Music Awards. Smith also won a Grammy and 4 American Music Awards for his solo album Big Willie Style in 1998. His musical success led him to star in The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, a hit television sitcom which ran for 6 years on NBC, pocketing good dollars to increase his total net worth. Smith proved his Hollywood box office pull in the action comedy Bad Boys, followed by several blockbusters like Independence Day, Men in Black, I, Robot, Hitch, and I Am Legend. Not to mention mega box office performers like Aladdin and Bad Boys for Life. Smith's portrayal of boxing legend Muhammad Ali in acclaimed biopic Ali earned him his first ever Academy Award and Golden Globe nomination. His critically acclaimed performance in his own produced The Pursuit of Happiness also brought him his second Academy Award nomination and 4th Golden Globe nominations for Best Actor. Most of these movies guaranteed him hefty paychecks, usually exceeding $20 million per film. For instance, Will Smith's 2017 Netflix film Bright brought him a whopping $20 million. And according to Complex, Smith also earned $20 million for his role in Ali, and the same for his role in Hitch. He also reported that Smith earned a hefty $71.4 million for his role in The Pursuit of Happiness. But that's not even the most Smith has reportedly earned from a role. In 2013, Smith made $100 million from his reprisal of Agent J in Men in Black 3. Even though a lot of focus is often placed on what movies he acts by himself, he is also the co-owner of his production company called Overbook Entertainment. He shares the ownership of the company with his wife, Jada Pinkett Smith, and film producer James Lassiter. The company works to produce films, television shows, and music projects. Since its creation in the 90s, the company has produced a number of films, including the 2006 cult classic ATL, the blockbuster hit Ali, Netflix's uploadable film To All the Boys I've Loved Before, and other mega films including I, Robot, The Karate Kid, Annie, The Secret Life of Bees, and many more. The upcoming film Gemini will fall under Will Smith's production too. In 1999, Will and Jada spent $7.5 million to acquire a stunning 100-acre property in the hills between Malibu and Calabasas, California. Over the next year, they bought several nearby parcels to string together 150 acres of contiguous land. The property features a 20,000 square foot main house, several guest houses, a private lake, a horse riding ring, equestrian trails, stables, tennis courts, and much more. They designed the property in a Santa Fe style after falling in love with actor Gene Hackman's Santa Fe home. They actually hired Hackman's Santa Fe architect for the project. which took years to kick off due to environmental concerns and permit restrictions. In 2013, they quietly listed the property for $42 million, but did not find a buyer. Today, this property alone is likely worth $50 to $70 million. In 2017, Will and Jada sold their 7-acre oceanfront compound in Kauai for $12 million. In 2011, they sold a different oceanfront Hawaiian property on 7 acres for $20 million to a Katerina Ryblovlev, the daughter of Russian billionaire oligarch Dmitry Ryblovlev. They also own a 9,000 square foot home located in a gated community Hidden Hills, California, and a 9,200 square foot sky chalet in Park City, Utah. In total, the Smiths own at least $100 million worth of real estate around the world that we know about. The Fresh Prince isn't just about good looks, charming nature, or a sense of humor. He's stylish and obviously knows how to pick the best cars out there. Some of the cars in his stunning car collection include an all-black Rolls-Royce Phantom, a Maybach 576, a 1965 Ford Mustang, a Mercedes GL 450, a Cadillac Escalade ESV, a Ford Taurus, a BMW i8, a Bentley Azure, a Lincoln Navigator, a Porsche Taycan Turbo S, and even a customized mobile mansion nicknamed the Hitch. So this is how Smith makes and spends his millions. Are you a fan of Will Smith? And what about him do you like the most? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts on the comment section below. Also, don't forget to press the like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future celebrity network breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching this one. Catch you in the next.